we drawing today?
Today we're going to turn the numbers from 1 to 9 into adorable animals.
But they're just numbers. Can numbers really turn into animals? No way!
They sure can. Are you ready, friends?
I'm ready! Let's draw together!
Before we start, here's a little drawing tip. I'm holding my pencil a little farther back so everyone can see each line clearly. When you draw along with me, hold your pencil a little closer to the tip. It'll be easier to control, and your lines will look smoother and prettier.
Ooh, that's a great tip. I'll hold my pencil the right way too.
Let's start with the number 1, Kuku and all my little friends. Can you guess what animal we're going to draw today?
Ooh, I have so many guesses. Can I watch a little more first?
Okay, I think Kuku and all our little artists will know what it is very soon. First, let's draw the head, then the ears. And now, let's draw the long neck.
Wait a minute. That neck is so long. I think I know what it is.
Now, let's draw the body, and then the legs.
Yay! I knew it! It's a giraffe! I guessed it right!
That's right. It's a giraffe. Great job, Kuku. Did you guess it too, everyone? Now, let's draw the eye. Look, our giraffe is coming to life. And don't forget to add its 2 little horns. Now, let's add the giraffe's spots. This is the part where you can use your imagination. How many spots would you like to draw? Maybe 10, maybe 20, or even more. Remember, every giraffe has its own special pattern. So there's no need to make your drawing look exactly like mine. Your giraffe is special because you created it. Let's fill it with lots of beautiful spots together.
Aw, they're so cute! Spots! I can't see your vulnerable eye.
Next is number 2. Let's start with a tiny pointed beak. Just a simple little shape. Perfect! Next comes the head. Draw a nice round shape around the beak. Here's the fun part. Stretch a long, graceful neck. Keep the curve nice and smooth. Beautiful.
Let me think. Is it a little duck? Did I get it right?
That's a great guess, Kuku. But this is a swan, not a quack duck. Let's keep drawing and you'll see the difference. Now it's time to draw the eye. Just one tiny eye. Look at that! Our swan is coming to life. Let's add a pretty little crown on top of the head. Now our swan looks like a beautiful princess. Now for the finishing touch. Let's draw the wing. A few gentle curves. And just like that, our beautiful swan is complete.
Wow, it's a swan from number 2. It looks so beautiful.
Now let's draw number 3. Let's begin with a nice little round head. Keep it smooth and simple. Great start. Next, draw a chubby little body. Add a few horizontal stripes. Can you tell what it's becoming yet?
Not yet, but I think I'm getting closer.
How about giving it some tiny arms? And little legs too. Look how adorable it's becoming. It's a butterfly. Now let's bring it to life with 2 happy little eyes. Wow, it looks ready to flutter away. Don't forget the antennae. Draw 2 gentle curves on top of the head. Perfect. They make our butterfly look even more playful. Here's the most exciting part. Let's decorate the wings with 2 lovely hearts, 1 on each side. Draw 2 beautiful wings. Butterflies love showing off their colorful wings.
I'd pick pink and purple wings for mine. What colors would you choose?
Next comes number 4. Let's begin with a long, gentle curve. Now add another smooth curve underneath. Connect the 2 lines together. Look at that! Our shape is starting to come together. Let's give it one little eye. just a tiny circle. Can you guess what it might be?
Wait, is it a fish?
That's right, Kuku. It's a little fish. Time to add some scales. Draw a few small curved shapes across the body. They make our little fish look even more lively. Let's give our fish a dorsal fine. Just a few gentle curves on top. Beautiful. Don't forget the little fin underneath. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference. Number 5. Let's begin with a smooth curved line. Follow the curve that's already there. Together, they make a lovely heart shape. Looking good! Next, draw a little round head. Keep it nice and simple. Can you tell what it's becoming? Let's add one tiny eye. Just a little circle. It's starting to look familiar.
Wait, is it a bird?
Wow, Kuku! You have such a wonderful imagination. I wonder what our little artists are imagining too. Next comes the tail. Draw a few simple feathers at the back. Nice and neat. Let's add a few little stripes on the tail. Tiny details can make a big difference. Let's decorate the wing with a few gentle lines. They make our little bird look even cuter. What should I draw next? Leave your ideas in the comments. I might choose your idea for my next drawing. Next is number 6. Let's begin with a nice big circle. Place the number 6 right inside it. Perfect! That fits beautifully. Next, add a few gentle curved lines. Let them swirl in the same direction, just like a little pinwheel. It's starting to look really interesting. Let's draw a long, wiggly body underneath. Keep the lines smooth and gentle. Can you guess what it's becoming?
Wait, is it a snail?
That's right, Kuku. It's a little snail. Let's finish it together. Let's give our snail 2 long eye stalks. Draw 2 little lines reaching up. Then, add 2 happy eyes at the top. Aw, look how friendly it looks. Our little snail may be slow, but it finally made it to the finish line. Number 7. Let's begin with a nice round circle. Place it right at the top of the number. Next, draw a smooth oval shape. Connect it to the end of the number. Keep the curve nice and gentle. Can you tell what it's becoming?
Wait! Is it a mouse?
That's right, Kuku. It's a little mouse. Let's finish it together. Let's give our little mouse some arms and legs. Draw 2 simple curved lines reaching upward. Nice and easy. It's ready to say hello. Next is number 8. Let's begin with a nice round head. Draw a big circle around the top half of the number. Let's add 2 little eyes. Just 2 tiny circles. Can you guess what it's becoming? Next, draw a little oval nose. Place it right in the middle. It's starting to look familiar.
Wait, is it a bear?
That's right, Kuku. It's a cute little bear. Let's finish it together. Let's give our bear 2 little arms. Draw a straight line on each side. Then round off the paws. Perfect! Let's continue with the body. Draw 2 straight lines down alongside the lower half of the number. Keep going until they become 2 little legs. Round the feet just like the paws. Looking wonderful. There's just one last step. Draw 1 gentle curved line across the legs. And our little bear is all finished. Aww. Our cuddly little bear is ready for a great big hug. I think it looks absolutely adorable. Number 9. Let's begin just below the number. Draw 1 smooth curve all the way to the bottom. Then draw another matching curve on the other side. Look at that! It makes a lovely heart shape. Let's add a little tail. Draw a few simple feathers at the back. Nice and easy. It's starting to look familiar.
that a bird?
That's right, Kuku. It's a little bird. Let's finish it together. Our little bird needs an eye. Draw one tiny circle. It's looking so cheerful already. There's just one last step. Let's add a little beak. Just a tiny point. And we're finished. Listen closely. I think our little bird is about to sing a happy song. Amazing work, everyone. We turned all 9 numbers into 9 adorable animals. If you enjoyed drawing with us, please like and subscribe. What should Kuku and I draw next? Leave your ideas in the comments below. Your idea might be featured in our next video. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Come on, let's draw another fun picture together. Just tap the next video. I'll see you there.